Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Godot. First, navigate to the official Godot engine website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. You'll typically choose between the standard version for GD script or the mono version for C# development. Once downloaded, simply extract the contents of the zip file to a folder on your computer where you'd like to keep your Godot installation. It's a straightforward process to get started. After extracting the files, locate the Godot executable and double-click it to launch the engine. The project manager will appear, allowing you to create, import, or scan for existing projects. Click New Project and provide a clear, descriptive name for your game or application. Then, choose an empty folder on your computer where Godot will store all your project files. This keeps everything organized from the start. Now that your project is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Godot editor's interface. You'll see various panels for the file system, scene tree, inspector, and more. To begin building, create a new scene, choosing between 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional depending on your project type. Every scene needs a root node. For example, add a node 2D for a 2-dimensional game or a spatial node for a 3-dimensional one. This forms the foundation of your game world. Before diving deep into development, it's wise to configure some essential project settings. Access the project settings to adjust display resolution, set up input actions, and manage other crucial aspects of your game. If you plan to export your game to different platforms, remember to install the appropriate export templates. These are vital for publishing your creation. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, along with other helpful deals. You're now ready to start building amazing games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.